So today I've got a fishing rod rack. So check this out, everybody. This right here is kind of like a rack setup that you'd put your tackle on and different types of fishing rods, say like in the back, and they would stage them really nicely. I already unboxed it and just kind of like laid it all out here. And here's the instructions here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a quick little assembly of this thing, then I'll come back and then I'll show you the finished product, and then we'll put some rods on it, see how well it works. So let's get to assembling now. Okay, there it is, everybody. I just put it all together. Let me go over some of the features of this thing. So you see how the rods go down in here? With the fishing rods, they just lock into this little spot right here. I have a couple of spinning reels and some bait casters down in there, and that works extremely well. I really like how that's actually designed. That's a pretty innovative little design right there. It was very simple to put together, but basically you just screw it together with the supplied tools that they gave me. It was like these little shelves right here in the back, and I was done. That maybe took me, I don't know, 20 minutes. And you see how I got my tackle box or my tackle backpack down here on the bottom. It holds nice. There's a bigger shelf on the bottom. Some Plano boxes and Cast King boxes. I've got them all lined up right here. I like that shelf right there and a shelf right here. Now this little area right here, believe it or not, is for spinning reels. I have a bait caster reel, and you see how you got a little area up here. You can put like fishing line, random lures and things like that. But the reels will actually slide right up in there, but it needs to be spinning reels to fit up in there, because the bait caster's reel won't. But that's cool that you can actually put, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reels and line them up in there. That's neat right there. The edges right here, good places for bait. You can see I put my rage tail there and some fishing line. That's what these little random hooks are. You've got different spots. You can actually get more of these. And you see how I have it on this side. I put a couple over here and a couple over there. So yeah, this is something I recommend for anyone that especially a fisherman that has like multiple rods. I don't have as many as most. I just put 4 in here, but I think you can hold up to maybe, what, 10 rods right there. There's a lot of space back here for putting rods. And I think this is a really cool item. I'm gonna be definitely using this thing. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on, the fishing rack. See you all in the next video.